I got a little something in the mail today. Anyway, let me show y'all this tattoo kit that I got in the mail. I'm gonna show y'all everything it comes with, and as always, the link will be below. It comes with a skin. It comes with transfer paper. It comes with these. What is these? I don't know. Oh, this is to go on the machine. This is to go around the machine, the actual machine. This is the gloves, ink, the black ink, the little cuppies. Y'all don't know nothing about tattoos for real, so I don't know the correct terminology. And we have some colors, yeah, and then we have green soap. We have some needles, some cartridges. Okay, have more, probably a different kind, and what we've all been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun. Cue the music. I mean, I would have liked pink, but whatever. Give me what you want. Black is my next best thing. Ta-da! Drum roll, please. Okay. We come with the charger too, so whatever. So let me I'm gonna set everything up and give y'all a little overview of everything it comes with. Okay, hold on. You see here, make sure you click on the link below and grab that. All right. Okay.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. like mine. When it comes for you, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want.
I can't even see it. Okay, it's better.
It makes it look like my legs are here.
So my finger tattoo is faded. I'm gonna fix that right now. So new needle, new ink. So let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Ooh, that's ooh. Wait, let it focus. Anyway.